Hello and welcome to my channel, or if this is your first time here, my name is Millie and happy Multichrome Monday. This is a series I do here on my channel where I feature different multichromes for all kinds of different brands. I do swatches, swatch comparisons, as well as tutorials, and today's video is actually going to be a head-to-head comparison on my lids. So yes, I'm currently wearing two different multichromes from two different brands. They're the same shade, but they're from different brands, and sometimes that means that they're different formulas. And I have done a video like this previously, so I will link that down in the description box in case you're interested. So before we get to it, this video is sponsored by Luisa, so thank you so much to Luisa for sponsoring this video. This is my very first sponsored video. I'm really excited about it. So they sent me two pairs of earrings and I absolutely love these. I've heard about Luisa through some of my other YouTube friends, and the first time I checked out their website, I fell in love with this design. It's just so delicate, but still a bit of a statement piece. And I love that they have this design in multiple different styles. I just think that these designs are so unique. I really love the contrast between the blue and the white. And I love the circular shape with the cutout. I don't think I've ever seen anything like it. It just seems really, really unique. And in general, when I look at their website, I see a lot of beautiful, beautiful pieces. And they also have necklaces as well as rings. Now, I haven't been wearing jewelry as much now that I've been working from home for over a year, but I will be going back into the office in September, so I'm excited to wear jewelry every day. And I have very sensitive ears, so anything that is not at least gold or silver plated will irritate my ears. So I'm really excited for these because they are 14 karat gold plated, so I should have no problem wearing these all day. And the times I've worn them so far, I haven't had any issues. And something else that I think is great is they offer a 365-day warranty, which is especially great with jewelry because that is something that you invest in and you want it to last a really long time. So just a little bit about Luisa. They are a carbon neutral brand and they pride themselves in fair prices. Their jewelry starts at $39, which I think is extremely affordable. It compares it to a lot of other luxury brands that have that luxury markup. And they do offer a 365-day warranty on the jewelry. And because of the pricing, I think these are a great gift for yourself or for somebody else. And they sell their jewelry in limited batches. So if you see something on the website, you gotta jump on it because otherwise it might not be available a little bit from now. So if you're interested in checking out Luisa, I do have a special link down in the description box and a code for 10% off, and it is Badtothebrow 10. So no pressure if you would like to click on it, if you would like to browse a little bit and see if there's anything you like. And so now let's get into the multichromes. I'm going to be comparing these two shades, which are basically like a really beautiful jewel green, and they shift all the way to a really beautiful kind of purple. And so I have Terra Looking Glass and JD Glow on. So let's get right into the comparison. So priming my lids with actually the new Beauty Bakery eyeshadow primer. So on this side I'm going to be using Terra Moon's Looking Glass, and on this side is JD Glow's and I'm going to be using the Blend Bunny Blends palette. Just my kind of go-to colorful eyeshadow palette. I do have a non-affiliate code in the description box in case you're interested in that palette. So going in and just putting this right in the crease. I just washed my brush, so it's kind of shedding a little bit. I'm going to kind of speed through this part as we're here for the multichromes. Putting Spellbound on the outer corner. This is just going to be a simple 2 eyeshadow and a multichrome kind of look. So last time I did this look, I just wet my brush after I picked up the shadow, but this time we're gonna use the NYX glitter primer. So I'm just tapping a little bit of that all over my lid. And there it is, and just gonna put that over. Such a beautiful color. Some nice jewel tones. And I'm gonna blend the edge just a tiny bit. And glitter primer on this side. Definitely feels like it's a bit of a different formula anyway. This one feels like it's almost a little flaky, just a tiny bit more textured in the pan. I think I meant to go in with the purple in the outer corner, I just realized. Whoopsie. Now I would say from the way I'm looking at it, JD Glow looks just just a little bit, tiny bit shinier. Like a real smidgen though. Alright, so I threw on some lashes, so let's take a look. Here is how it looks just next to each other. I just feel like this one's just a little bit shinier. So let me know in the comments below if you saw any difference. I think I can tell just the tiniest difference, and I think from JD Glow is just a little bit shinier, but not really much. Otherwise, the shift looks exactly the same. So I really hope that these kinds of videos are helpful for you if you already have some of these shades or you plan on buying from brands. I don't want you to have doubles. Now, these are pretty much, I would say, about the same price range. They're not that much different, especially Terra does do 20% off sales here and there. And again, thank you so much, and Luisa, for sponsoring today's Multichrome Monday. Don't forget to check out the description box for 10% off and the link to their website. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe. There's so much indie makeup, lots of shiny, sparkly, and shifty content already on my channel, and much more to come. You don't want to miss out. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.